Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's flooded. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh, it's coming up from the cracks. Oh, my shit. Oh my gosh. What the fuck is my sump pump's backing up? Oh my gosh. What? There was a drain. Where's the drain? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get my fucking shit out of here. Fucking tools. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh, what am I gonna do? What does the basement look like? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a fucking river. Oh. 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 I don't think my sump pump, is that working? Where the fuck is this water coming from? Oh my gosh. It's fucking raining in here. Oh my gosh. It's just fucking running. What the fuck? Look at this fucking water running. I know. It's pumping it, but it's not going anywhere. It's like clogged. Where the fuck? I hope your cellars rot in fucking hell. Because this is nothing. This is just the latest in everything at this fucking house that was lied about. Hope you're all happy. Fucking everything's fucking flooded. Everything's flooded. Kudos to my Craftsman shop vac. 12-gallon. I've already done the review on it, but now I have to show you what it's doing to save me right now. And I'm only able to make the video after I have already pumped out 7 containers. 7 vacuum containers. I am so fucking pissed. I finally sent a text to the I sent a video to the realtor and I told him that I hope the fucking cellars rot in fucking hell. I just came home from work. We had a short storm. I was worried last week with all the rain we had. My backyard is mush. The sump pump was going every 30 seconds. I'm like, what the fuck's gonna happen? At one point, some water was bubbling up through the cracks in the garage last week with the drain. Well, I came home today to this much water in my garage, and I haven't even been able to unpack all my boxes because I'm still cleaning up all the shit from the cellars, but it doesn't come into the garage until after my fucking basement is flooded. I went all the way into the basement to look, and I'm watching my fucking foundation wash away as a river fucking pours in. This is inside my basement. I'm pumping it. I'm pumping it out. It was running down this fucking hill of dirt. My foundation is gonna fucking wash away. That Craftsman shop vac is saving my fucking life right now. Because I'm pumping 12 gallons of water at a time in about 15 seconds. And then I'm rolling it to the door of the garage, onto my driveway, and letting it run down into the street. Let the town fucking deal with it. Because it's rainwater and that's where it belongs. I'm going to show you what this fucking thing is doing. And I'm only showing you now because I was able to get most of the flood taken up and I had to move all the boxes. Here, watch. Sump pump's going. There's my drain. I couldn't even find the drain before. The water was so deep. Watch this. I'm going to set this up over here. I got to dry off the plug that plugs in. I can now actually stay on top of the water. I'm waiting for the sump pump to go off, and as it backs up into the drain, and the drain starts backing up, I'm sucking it back out of the drain, and I'm putting it down the driveway. Let me show you one of the best fucking features about this vacuum. If you ever need a shop vac, this is the one to get. Watch this. At 8 pounds a gallon, and this is 12. Is that 96? Who the fuck wants to lift up 96 pounds? Come here. $12 gallons and dumps it out in about 6. Apparently, instead of counting down, I wanted to add something. Because I gotta have a sense of humor. Anybody who knows how to, like, what do you call it? I don't know, remix like clips and segments, needs to take that line where I'm like, it's coming out of the cracks. They need to make a short out of it and just start fucking playing it so it goes viral. And we can sell t-shirts that say, it's coming out of the cracks. And I can use the proceeds from the t-shirts to pay for plumbing. So I need somebody to make it go viral like that hot tooey girl. I mean, for totally different reasons, it's just funny. Play it a couple of times because I had to listen to it while I was editing. It's coming through the cracks. That needs to go on a t-shirt. I had to add that. So somebody go make one of those clippy things, like a short, and then like send it out there for people to like laugh at me for sounding like ridiculous. Questions or comments, feel free to leave them. I take prayers too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Have a great night. I'm trying.